She gets to the top, almost zero G. She gets out of the ground. She pulls it back out on the slipstream. These two have been performing together longer than any other current.
Because of the wind chill, even on a hot day, she slips on a plastic jacket vest under her flights. Teresa also wears a leather helmet, goggles, special grippy gloves, and a cloth over her nose and mouth so she can breathe more easily.
Not only that, the wind can dry out so much that she carries tiny little mitts on the fingertips of her gloves to keep her from choking in flight. Once she lands, by the way, she somehow quickly overheats and is out of breath. She needs to drink a lot of water. And I've never seen it to fail. She somehow manages to brush all the tangles out of her hair. She has signal Gene. She's ready to go. And here they come for the next part of the show. Gene has climbed a little bit of altitude here, which will gradually use up as he comes through this routine. She has told me it really is just like flying. Gene doing that. On the top, she does have a belt around her middle holding her fast to the stand. But at some point here, she's going to detach that. We'll tell you when that happens.